So let's breathe into this space for our practice, our spiritual practice of mindfulness and taking a time together in the silence. So I invite you just to get comfortable in your own way, knowing that this is one of the most sacred parts of our time together. Each week when we restore, renew, when we fill our cup, when we go directly to the source of our being, the source of light, in this contemplative practice. We use the breath to relax the body. On the inhale, drawing the crown of the head high and the spine long. And on the exhale, simply releasing, relaxing the shoulders, allowing the body temple to come home to itself. And consciously moving and directing the breath. As it nourishes and nurtures us into a state of relaxation, a state where we are letting go. As we take a moment to scan the body for any areas of tension, just send the breath there with a graceful let go. Simply be. It's safe now. It's okay. Okay to unwind. Okay to unravel. Okay to listen. Okay to be still. It's okay to be still. As I allow those words to have their way within my being, I send healing, loving energy to any holding on, any ideas that I need to keep trying so hard or working so hard, even thinking so hard or loving so hard. I'm all that I need to be right here, right now, without all of the layers from the outer world. The inner world has more than enough love, more than enough pure life force, more than enough grace, intelligence, wisdom to support my being and to support this life. To emanate out into the world as a mighty magnet for good. So right here and right now, we allow a space for ourselves to simply come home as we lean into the stillness of the silence. ourselves to fill the heart with gratitude. Gratitude for those sitting with us in the practice of the silence. Gratitude for all of those fellow travelers on the planet, holding high and holy sacred intention in whatever way their heart is called to. That pure intention of love. We thank you, we acknowledge you. Gratitude for the peacemakers. Gratitude for compassion. Gratitude for the expression and forms of love. Come to our eyes and our ears and our hearts and our lives. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. Gently bowing to seal the practice. Namaste.